Did you know there's a toad that has claimed the lives of hundreds of crocodiles in Australia? Or a cute-looking fish that puffs up like a balloon but harbors venom potent enough to take down 30 humans? Then there's the jellyfish, so small you barely notice it in the water, but its sting can unleash unimaginable pain. Welcome back to another episode of Forever Green. Today we're going to reveal some of nature's most beautifully dangerous and venomous creatures. These aren't your ordinary animals. They wield powers so lethal, a single encounter could be your last. Imagine a being so potent where merely 2 micrograms of its poison hold the power to claim 100 human lives. Or a creature capable of delivering a neurotoxin so deadly it can make an elephant fall in a single bite. And just when you think you've seen it all, wait until you hear about a viper whose venom has claimed more lives than any other snake in its region. And there's a story of a crocodile that made the biggest mistake of his life. To find out, you must stick around till the end. So hit subscribe and let's dive in. Box jellyfish. Imagine a creature so potent that its venom can cause severe pain, paralysis, and even death within minutes. That's the box jellyfish for you. Its appearance is almost ethereal, with a transparent, box-shaped body and up to 15 tentacles trailing behind, each growing as long as 10 feet. One of the most notorious components of its venom is a potent toxin called a neurotoxin. This particular toxin is so powerful that it can quickly overwhelm the nervous system, leading to extreme pain, and in severe cases, stopping the heart or causing death by respiratory arrest. Its tentacles are lined with thousands of tiny darts that, upon contact with the skin, can fire venom into the victim. The pain from a box jellyfish sting is described as unbearable, often leading victims into shock or drowning before they can even reach the shore for help. Pufferfish. Don't let their balloon-like appearance fool you. It contains enough poison to kill 30 humans. The pufferfish is known for carrying tetrodotoxin, one of the most potent neurotoxins known to science. Even just a tiny amount can be deadly. This poison doesn't just affect people, it can also be a big problem for animals in the sea, including sharks. If a predator, like a shark, decides to eat a pufferfish, it might end up ingesting some of this toxin. Because tetrodotoxin is so potent, it can cause serious issues for the shark or any other animal that tries to eat the pufferfish. In some cases, it can even lead to death. It also has the ability to inflate themselves into a ball. This inflation is another defense mechanism, making it difficult for predators to eat them. However, the danger of tetrodotoxin to humans is most associated with the consumption of improperly prepared pufferfish, a delicacy known as fugu in Japanese cuisine. The preparation of fugu is strictly regulated and can only be performed by licensed chefs who have undergone years of training to ensure the safe removal of toxic parts. Just like the pufferfish, there is another fish that is far deadlier than it appears. To find out more, visit our channel and be sure to watch that video. Inland taipan. The inland taipan, often recognized as the most venomous snake on Earth. This creature's venom is so toxic that it can kill 100 adult humans with just one bite. Its venom contains a mix of toxins that target the nervous system, muscles, and blood. This lethal cocktail can cause bleeding, muscle paralysis, and even block the blood's ability to clot, leading to an instant death for its prey. This snake does not waste its venom. It delivers a precise dose to its prey, ensuring a nearly 100% kill rate. It's primarily a hunter of small mammals. However, the appearance of the inland taipan adds to its mystique. It has a light brown or olive green skin, which can vary depending on the season, allowing it to blend seamlessly into its environment. Golden poison dart frog. This small amphibian, native to the rainforest of Colombia, is as beautiful as it is deadly. Sporting vibrant colors that range from golden yellow to deep orange, the golden poison dart frog warns predators of the lethal toxin it carries within its skin. This tiny frog, measuring just over an inch in length, harbors enough batrotoxin to kill 10 adult humans, making it one of the most toxic animals on the planet. Batrotoxin, the poison found in the skin of the golden poison dart frog, is a potent neurotoxin that causes paralysis and death by preventing nerves from transmitting impulses. Interestingly, the indigenous Imbera people of Colombia have long harnessed the frog's potent toxin for hunting by coating the tips of their blow darts with the frog's secretions, a practice that has led to the frog's common name. Blue-ringed octopus. The blue-ringed octopus is renowned for its venom, which contains neurotoxins capable of causing respiratory arrest and paralysis. This venom is not just used to subdue prey, as one might expect, but rather as a defense mechanism against potential predators. The octopus's bite is often painless, leading many victims to underestimate the severity of the situation until symptoms escalate. The primary toxin, tetrodotoxin, blocks sodium channels, preventing the nerves from transmitting signals to muscles, leading to paralysis and, without prompt medical intervention, potentially death. Visually, the blue-ringed octopus is a marvel of the marine world. Its skin is typically a muted yellow to brown, but when threatened, it displays vibrant blue rings across its body, a stunning warning of the danger it possesses. Maricopa harvester ant. The Maricopa harvester ant might seem ordinary at first glance, but its venom packs a surprisingly potent punch, proving once again that in nature, danger often comes in small packages. Its body is a reddish-brown color, typically of many ant species, allowing it to blend into the desert environment it inhabits. The venom is rich in peptides that can cause intense pain and, in rare cases, more severe reactions in humans, especially in individuals allergic to insect stings. The venom's toxicity is such that, pound for pound, it's considered many times more potent than that of a rattlesnake. However, due to the small quantity injected with each sting, fatalities are extremely rare. The pain from a sting is described as among the most intense of any insect. Gila monster. The Gila monster, one of the few venomous lizards in existence, brings a different kind of danger to the table. It possesses one of the most dangerous bites. When it bites, its teeth, which have special grooves releasing venom. The toxins in the Gila monster venom are a complex cocktail designed to incapacitate its prey and deter predators. This venom can lead to pain, swelling, and sometimes more severe symptoms in humans, such as a drop in blood pressure, nausea, and vomiting. The venom's primary purpose is to subdue the small mammals and birds that comprise its diet, but it also serves as a powerful warning against larger threats, including humans. Moreover, it has a thick, heavy body covered in bead-like scales that range in color from black to pinkish or yellow, creating a mosaic pattern that's both beautiful and warning to potential predators. Cone snail. The cone snail, like the pufferfish, is a marine animal, but it employs a very different method to deliver its venom. The cone snail uses a specialized tooth known as a radula, which functions like a harpoon. This tooth is loaded with venom and can be extended to strike and inject venom into its prey or in defense against predators. The venom of a cone snail is a complex mixture of hundreds of different toxins, each designed to target specific nerve channels or receptors. The danger posed by the cone snail to humans primarily comes from accidental handling. Fishermen and beachgoers in regions where cone snails are common are at risk of being stung if they're not aware of the snail's dangerous nature. King cobra. King cobra is one of the world's largest venomous snakes, which can deliver enough neurotoxin in a single bite to kill an elephant. This venom attacks the nervous system, causing severe pain, blurred vision, vertigo, drowsiness, and eventually paralysis. Without appropriate medical treatment, the venom can be fatal, primarily due to respiratory failure as the diaphragm muscles become paralyzed. King cobras are also known for their ability to recognize their handlers and exhibit a degree of understanding not commonly associated with reptiles. Additionally, the king cobra's appearance is intimidating. It can raise a third of its body off the ground, spread its iconic hood, and hiss loudly when threatened. However, these snakes generally avoid humans and will only attack if provoked or threatened. Talking about the snakes, don't forget to watch Forever Green's video on biggest snakes in the world. Now, let's move on to the next creature. Brazilian wandering spider. The Brazilian wandering spider, often cited as the most venomous spider in the world, it roams the jungle floor at night and hides in dark and moist places during the day. including under logs or in banana plants, which is how it sometimes travels to other parts of the world within shipments of bananas. The venom of the Brazilian wandering spider is a potent cocktail of neurotoxins capable of causing severe pain, inflammation, and in some cases, death. The venom works by stimulating the release of the neurotransmitter nitric oxide, leading to high blood pressure and sometimes a painful and unwanted erection in male victims. What makes the Brazilian wandering spider particularly noteworthy is its aggressive response when threatened. It assumes a defensive posture, raising its front legs high and revealing its fangs, ready to strike if the threat persists. Death Stalker Scorpion. Found in the deserts and scrublands of the Middle East and North Africa, the Death Stalker scorpion packs a powerful punch with its highly toxic venom, making it one of the most dangerous scorpions in the world. Its venom is a potent mixture of neurotoxins that can cause extreme pain and fever, convulsions, paralysis, and even death. The venom is so powerful that it has earned the scorpion its ominous name. However, like many venomous creatures, the Death Stalker scorpion uses its venom primarily for hunting prey, such as insects, spiders, and small vertebrae. The Death Stalker scorpion is characterized by its yellowish color, which allows it to blend seamlessly into the sandy environment it inhabits. It typically measures about 2.5 to 3 inches in length, making it relatively small compared to some of its scorpion cousins. Stonefish. The stonefish holds the title for the most venomous fish in the world, a distinction that comes from the potent venom contained within its dorsal fin spines. The stonefish venom can cause severe pain, swelling, and even death if not treated promptly. The venom is a complex mixture that affects the cardiovascular and nervous systems, leading to severe psychological reactions in its victims. The fish uses its venom primarily for defense against predators, delivering a potent dose to any who tread too closely or mistakenly step on it. One of the most remarkable aspects of the stonefish is its camouflage. Its mottled brown or gray appearance, combined with an irregular, rough texture, allow it to blend almost perfectly with the sea floor, resembling a stone or piece of coral. This camouflage is not only a defense mechanism, but also a hunting strategy. Black Mamba. The black mamba is one of the most feared snakes on the continent due to its ability to strike at incredible speeds and deliver multiple bites in a single encounter. It's Africa's largest venomous snake, capable of reaching lengths of up to 14 feet. The venom of the black mamba is highly toxic and acts rapidly, attacking the nervous system and causing paralysis, which can lead to respiratory failure and death in a matter of hours without anti-venom treatment. Its venom contains dendrotoxin, which inhibits neurotransmitter release, leading to the overstimulation of muscles and nerves. If cornered or threatened, it can become highly aggressive, displaying its infamous speed and precision in defense. The snake's name, Black Mamba, comes from the dark correlation inside its mouth, which it displays as a warning sign when threatened. Sydney funneled web spider. The Sydney funneled web spider is renowned for being one of the most venomous spiders in the world. This spider's venom contains a powerful neurotoxin that can be deadly to humans, particularly affecting the nervous system and leading to symptoms such as muscle spasms, palpitations, nausea, and in severe cases, death. One of the most alarming aspects of the Sydney funnel web spider is its aggressive behavior when threatened. Unlike some species that may retreat, a funneled web is likely to stand its ground, displaying its large fangs and even striking repeatedly if provoked. The spider's name comes from its unique web structure, a funnel-shaped layer from which it ambushes prey. These webs are often found in moist, cool environments such as under rocks, in logs, or in densely vegetated gardens. If you were amazed by this deadly spider, you've got to watch our video on the most harmful insects and spiders. Now, let's get back to our video. Dubois sea snake. Found in the warm coastal waters of the Western Pacific and Indian Oceans, the Dubois sea snake is one of the most venomous sea snakes equipped with a venom for more toxin than many land snakes. The Dubois sea snake venom is incredibly potent, capable of paralyzing its prey almost instantly. The venom contains neurotoxins that disrupt the nervous system, leading to muscle weakness, paralysis, and potentially respiratory failure in most severe cases. The Dubois sea snake is slender and can be identified by its pale body, marked with dark bands or spots. Its tail is flattened, a trait common among sea snakes, which aids in swimming. Interestingly, it is generally not aggressive towards humans. Most bites occur when the snake is accidentally caught by fishermen or handled out of curiosity. Hooded pitahui. This bird is native to the rainforest of New Guinea, stands out in this list for being one of the very few known poisonous birds in the world. The hooded pitahui is quite striking, with bright orange and black plumage that serves as a warning coloration to potential predators about its toxic nature. The hooded pitahui secretes a powerful toxin known as batrachotoxin, the same potent neurotoxin found on the skin of some poison dart frogs. This toxin is present in the bird's skin and feathers, deterring predators by causing severe pain, and if ingested can be fatal. The toxin's presence is believed to be derived from the bird's diet, which includes insects that contain these toxic compounds. Indigenous people have long known of the bird's poisonous nature, and has even been said that touching the bird can cause numbness and tingling. Saw-scaled viper. The saw-scaled viper is known for its aggressiveness and the potency of its venom. The saw-scaled viper is small but commands a significant impact, responsible for more human deaths than any other snake species in the regions. The snake's scales are keeled with a serrated appearance and can produce a characteristic sizzling sound by rubbing sections of its body together. This sound serves as a warning to potential threats.
That's the noise of the scales?
That's the saw-scaled, yeah.
Wow.
The venom of the saw-scaled viper contains a mix of hemotoxins, cytotoxins, and neurotoxins. These compounds work together to disrupt the blood's clotting ability, break down tissues, and impair the nervous system. The results can be catastrophic for the victim, leading to internal bleeding, organ failure, and potentially death if antivenom is not administered promptly. Unlike some venomous snakes that may deliver a dry bite as a warning, the saw-scaled viper often injects venom within its bites. Komodo dragon. The Komodo dragon is the largest living species of lizard, capable of growing over 10 feet in length and weighing more than 150 pounds. The Komodo dragon's bite is known for containing a mix of potent bacteria and venom that can lead to severe infection and blood poisoning. The Komodo dragon has special glands that make venom a type of poison. This poison makes its prey lose more blood and was a surprise discovery because people used to think that the dragon's bite was deadly only because of the germs. The venom stops the blood from clotting and makes the blood pressure drop, causing the prey to go into shock and faint. The Komodo dragon's diet is varied, feeding on everything from deer and pigs to water buffalo. Their hunting method is one of patience and power. After delivering a venomous bite, they will follow their prey for miles until it succumbs to the venom's effects. Irukandji jellyfish. Found in the waters of northern Australia and throughout the Indo-Pacific, the Irukandji jellyfish's venom is among the most venomous in the world. The venom of the Irukandji jellyfish induces a condition known as Irukandji syndrome. This condition is characterized by extreme pain in the back and kidneys, burning sensation of the skin, headaches, nausea, and restlessness, sweating, vomiting, high heart rate and blood pressure, and psychological phenomena such as the feeling of impending doom. The symptoms can escalate rapidly, requiring immediate medical attention to manage the effects and prevent potential fatal complications. The most terrifying aspect of the Irukandji jellyfish is its size, typically no larger than a cubic centimeter. Its tiny stature makes it nearly impossible to see in the water, posing a significant risk to swimmers and divers in areas where the jellyfish are present. Moreover, the jellyfish's tentacles can be extended several meters in length and are equipped with stingers that can penetrate human skin effortlessly, delivering its potent venom even with minimal contact. Cane toad. The cane toad might look harmless at first glance, but it's the reason behind the deaths of several apex predators. It's famous for being very poisonous and causing trouble in places where it doesn't naturally belong, like Australia. This amphibian has large parotid glands on its shoulders that secrete a milky, toxic substance known as bufotoxin. The poison is very strong and can hurt or kill animals that try to eat the toad. Bufotoxin affects the heart, and its ingestion can lead to rapid heart rate, excessive salivation, convulsions, and ultimately fatal paralysis. There have been reported incidents where Australian crocodiles, particularly the smaller freshwater variety, have consumed cane toads and got very sick and died because of the poison. Even though crocodiles are strong and scary, they weren't ready for the toad's poison. Back in 1935, people brought the cane toad to Australia, hoping it would eat pests and sugar farms. But this plan didn't work out well. Instead of helping, the toad started causing big problems for the animals that live in Australia. And that's it for today. Tell us in the comments which creature amazed you the most. Don't forget to like our video and subscribe to our channel. See you next time.